In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show predecessors in Microsoft Project. Predecessors are the tasks that must start or finish before another task can move forward. Seeing these relationships clearly helps you diagnose delays, understand schedule logic, and explain why dates shift. We'll cover 3 straightforward ways to view them. Adding the predecessors column to your task list, using the relationship diagram for a visual map, and highlighting predecessors directly on the Gantt chart. First, let's add the predecessors column. Make sure you're in the Gantt chart view by going to the View tab and choosing Gantt chart so you see your task table and bars. In the column header row, right-click any column title, choose Insert Column, and select Predecessors from the list. A new field appears that shows the ID numbers of predecessor tasks, the dependency type like FS for finish to start, or SS for start to start, and any lead or lag such as +2D or 1D. FS means the next task can start only when the previous one finishes. SS means they can start together with a defined offset. You can edit this field directly to add or adjust links, which is great for quick cleanups. If a task has multiple predecessors, they're listed together, and you can type to update them. Keep in mind, you're referencing task IDs, not names, so if you reorder tasks, the IDs and the references may change. Next, try a more visual approach with the relationship diagram. Go to View, open Other Views, select More Views, and choose Relationship Diagram. The label may differ slightly by version, but the concept is the same. Click a task to see boxes and arrows showing which tasks feed into it and which ones follow. This makes it easy to spot long chains, parallel paths, and potential bottlenecks without scanning dozens of rows. It's especially helpful when your plan grows complex and you want to validate logic at a glance. Finally, if you'd like a quick highlight without leaving the Gantt chart, use Task Path. With the Gantt chart active, go to the Format tab, click Task Path, and select Predecessors. Project immediately highlights all tasks that drive the selected task. This is perfect for tracing the why behind a date change during status reviews or for quickly confirming which tasks must happen first. To recap, you can see predecessors in 3 efficient ways: a column for fast edits, a relationship diagram for a clear visual map, and task path highlighting for instant context on the Gantt chart. Use whichever view fits your workflow, and switch among them as your schedule evolves.